Real talk, real shift, no fluff, no bullshit. Truth bombs to blow up your excuses and spark your soul. Unpack your shift, let's roll.
No fluff, no filters, just truth unpacked. Let's get into it. When they try to shrink you, own your own damn story. Recently, I had to wrestle with something that felt a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie. How the world tries to shrink us. And I said tries. Well, someone I didn't know asked me, "So what do you do?" And I replied. Then came the follow-up question. What qualifies you to do that? And you know, those questions sting because they're not just about your job. They want to flatten your dreams, your scars, and your late-night revelations into a tidy box. It's kind of like an elevator pitch, a soundbite for a world that's too rushed to listen. But here is what I know. What qualifies us is not a degree or a title. It's how we live, how we show up. It's listening when someone's breaking, noticing what others miss, and picking yourself up after a fall. In my path, where it's cooking, writing, getting titles, wandering every emotional landscape, trust me, that did not come from a diploma. And I have them. It came from staying awake, from feeling the weight of it all, even when it was easier to coast. So when someone tries to reduce you, to reduce your life to a resume line, to a social media profile, you know what? Don't shrink. Stand in your truth and say, with quiet fire, I'm qualified because I've lived it. Because your life isn't a bullet point. Your creativity is not a footnote. Your path, with all its twists, is your qualification. Next time they ask, let them feel the unshakable truth in your chest. I'm here. I've lived it. I'm still creating, still standing, still refusing to be reduced. And that, my friend, that's your truth. And that's more than enough. That's it for today's Real Talk. Did you unpack your shift? If something hits you, sit with it. Then shift with it. You're not here to stay stuck. You're here to evolve. See you next time, and don't forget, real change starts when you stop pretending.